This is number 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium. Orlando Pirates 2, Polokwane City 0. It's a MTN 8 quarter-final. My brother, how's it?
Hey,
Hey, nice to see you, man. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Compliments of the New Year.
Thanks, man.
Of the New Year.
Yeah.
What can I say? What a game.
What a game.
What a game. What a first new game of the season. I think first of all we have to say credit to Orlando Pirates management for such an incredible job they've done.
The scouts also.
The scouting of Orlando Pirates is amazing, and from their job that they did, the fans credited it today. I mean, Orlando Pirates fans responded and they just came in numbers for the first time in Orlando for first game of the season.
Exactly.
And it's become a sold out, and even the atmosphere it just gave the players a huge boost. And coming to the game, I just saw something new today, especially our midfielder. The first half was something else. Those players played in that midfielder, Mbule and Dule. They played as if like they've been here for the past 2 or 3 seasons.
Exactly.
And the combination that they had, they were able to respond. Even from the stage, it didn't frighten them. The stage didn't frighten them. They were just playing. They were just enjoying themselves. And it was like these players have been playing with you together, and it was amazing to see that. It was amazing to see that. Even the coach, I think he didn't have so much job to do, because I think from what I've heard from Mabasa, the coach is similar to Jose Rivero. He's more of a motivator and also wants to continue from where Rivero left. And he's calm. And remember again, Orlando Pirates management just went for a coach who's still going to use the youngsters.
Exactly.
If you look at the second half of this game, it was like a renewed, and you were like, this is a new identity of Orlando Pirates.
Exactly.
And the players were still, and they were able to manage the game, of which it is something that we were struggling last season, that Orlando Pirates were getting into confident, playing and winning games, like, okay, but at some point you will lose a tempo.
Exactly.
You will lose a tempo and you can't manage the game. But now looking at this guy, he's bringing youngsters, and they're able to manage the game and calm the game. And I just feel like congratulations to Orlando Pirates. Fantastic game. And if I can go to individuals, I will talk until the next 2 and 3 hours.
Let's go to this train. Let's start with Mbule. What's your take on him? This play.
Wow, Master Chef.
Yeah.
That's a diamond actually. We just gained. Actually, we needed that guy in the midfield. We needed that guy who's gonna calm everything. Tito was doing it, but not as much as Master Chef. Master Chef is now allowing everyone to be free. It's like, give me the ball, and you do what you do. Just give me the ball.
Exactly.
That's what he does, and it's like the confidence for him. Like you can tell, like this guy, he always wanted to play like this. He wanted to play freely like this. He played at Sundowns. We saw his glimpse, and the Mbule that we saw at Sundowns and the Mbule that we saw at Supersport, the two different guys. But today when we saw Mbule, like I remember that Mbule played in Supersport.
Exactly.
So you can tell like now the confidence, the excitement, he's enjoying himself now. He's starting to play that football that he wanted to play before. And we just, it's the first game. We just want to see the next game. And I think after 2-3 games, we'll be able to tell like where's Orlando Pirates going. But it looks promising to all the new signings, and especially Appolis.
I wanted to come to Appolis. 1 goal, 1 assist. First game.
Yeah, incredible, as well as incredible signing. And that's what I'm saying. All in all, man, I just need to give credit to management of Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates knew a plan for this season. Even signing Appolis, you didn't hear any, even on the social media, no rumors, nothing. But they knew they had a plan, like we want this and player, we want the list. Then he just went and get him. And now he just played as if like he was there as well. That's what I'm saying. Looking at the first half, these guys, like they've been playing with each other for the past 2-3 seasons. That guy is so talented. I don't want to lie. I don't want to overpraise him, but whatever give him the chance to play in the field, he's going to show you that I'm capable of doing this. And I remember he's playing against Polokwane City. Those guys, they know him, but they couldn't handle him. They couldn't handle him. They struggled. It's unfortunately he had an injury, but I think he was going to play around 70 to 75 minutes, but of which he was still a threat. And him going off, you can see that the tempo went down on this side. Now, okay, now Polokwane is starting to manage the game because now they don't have a threat of Appolis. Now they need to worry about Mofuke. So that's when the tempo, like, okay, Polokwane is starting to manage the game, but they were not actually managing. It's the injury that caused us, like, okay, now we're not using both wingers, only effective on one winger. And because Muremi came in, but he was sluggish, still slow, but again, stage fright. Not every player will come and shine at the first game, so we just need to give him a chance.
Exactly. Lastly, last one. Previous seasons you had Marco at the left back. This season you have Marco in the midfield. What's your take on him?
Wow, that's
number 32.
Machine. What I can say is that guy is a star. we're yet to see it.
Yeah.
And I'm excited because the way he plays, he's got that character to play in Champions League.
Exactly.
And we're going for that. When I saw him come, like, this is a Champions League material. This okay, he can adjust in PSL. He's gonna be good in PSL.
Yeah.
But the way he plays, the way he's so, I don't know, intelligent with the football. It's like with Mbuli.
Exactly.
Mbuli is a master chef. He's exciting to watch. This one is like come to watch. He's like want to control the game.
Exactly.
He wants to make sure that I'm coming down everything. And even when he goes forward, you can tell like he is worried about the pack. The moment he turns,
Want to protect,
he can put another reverse that will shock you. That will shock. Then that turn, I'm like, oh, okay. I was worried about this guy, but now it's like he's been there. So something these guys. To watch them today, it was a confidence. It was a confidence, and I think even the last season when we had, I think our last game, I was like, Orlando Pirates needed a coach who's gonna take them to the promised land. And I think now with what we're having, the coach doesn't have so much work to work on the confidence of the players. He just need to cook and go forward because the material is having with his hand.
Thank you so much, brother. I can see the confidence in you also. All the best in
Thank you.
the future.
Now we'll see you
Keep
next
well,
week.
man. It's all right.
For your soccer updates, visit www.2010sharpi.com.